If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture. So today we will be discussing how to find the length or perpendicular distance from a given point to a given straight line. And with that we will see how to find the perpendicular distance between two parallel lines. Okay, then let's see this. Okay student, length of the perpendicular distance of a point from a line. Okay. So what is given to you? So a point is given to you. Suppose this is the point and this is the line. This is the line given to you, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. And from this point, what is this distance that you need to find? That is I have given as d. That is distance means perpendicular distance. What is the shortest? Because distance you can think it this way also, this way also. But if I say distance between point and a line, then I am talking about the perpendicular distance always. Because that is the shortest distance I can have from a point to a line. You could have this type of distance also. This is also a distance from this point to this line. This is also a distance. These are all distance. But if I say distance, that means I am talking about perpendicular distance. That is the minimum value. This distance is the minimum. Okay. So this is given. A straight line is given and the point is given. So how to calculate this distance? I am directly writing here formula. I will give you a hint also how to prove, but I am not proving it, doing the proof here. So this is ax1 plus b1 plus c. You put this point in this equation and then divide by under root a square plus b square, coefficient of this. This thing can be proved using this way. You can write a equation which is a line which is parallel to this line, that is ax plus by plus some other constant equal to 0. And because that line passes through this point, so if you put that point, it should satisfy. So from that condition you can find that constant also. Suppose I am writing this equation, this I can write ax plus by plus k equal to 0 because it is parallel to this. We have seen how to write parallel of one given line. Coefficients of xy remain same, only constant varies. And you put x1, y1. So you find the value of k. Now you can find the distance. How we have already seen how to find the perpendicular distance from here to here. What will be the perpendicular distance? C by under root a square plus b square. Similarly, you can find the perpendicular distance of this line from this origin. So if you find both these distance, then this minus this will give you this required distance, this. So if you do that one way, that will also come. But I am not showing here. I have given the idea how to solve, how to prove. You can try to prove it. Okay. Now what is the perpendicular distance between the two parallel lines? Suppose there are two parallel lines. So there will be a perpendicular distance between them. What is d? Suppose I have taken a point. So this is given to you, two lines are given to you, that's it, and both are parallel lines. That's why the coefficient of xy are same, you can see here. Only the constant is very different. So let us take a point on the line L1. I have taken arbitrarily a point, any point of this line. Because this is of this line, this point, if I put it on that equation, that should satisfy. Because I am taking a point from this line. So because the point is of this line itself, so if I put the point, it should be equal to 0. That we have seen. If the point lies on the line, then this equal becomes 0. So because the point is lying on that line, so if we put it there, it will be 0. So this one is there. Now what is the distance from a point to line? Just now we have learned. We put that point in this equation. So what is the equation of this line? This is the second line. So if I put it there, ax1 plus by1 plus k divided by under root plus a square plus b square. Now you can find what is the value of ax1 plus by1. What is this? This is minus c. So you can put it there. That is k minus c by this. So this becomes a formula to find the distance between two perpendicular lines. But the idea you remember what we did? We took a point from the line and we find the perpendicular distance from the point and line using this formula. With that we proved this one. So if you forget this one also, you should remember the idea. You take a point from the line because you need to find the distance between two parallel lines. You take any point because from any point the distance will be same because it is parallel. You take any point and you find the distance between point and line using this formula. So this is additional formula, that is the difference between the constant divided by coefficient square. But provided it should be same. It should not be that if you multiply 2 also, then it will also give you same. The coefficient of x and y should be exactly same. So that we will see while solving problem. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.